Alright, how can we automate any changes in our Google Sheet? For that, we have the Google Sheets anyUpdates trigger, okay? It activates when any change occurs in our Google Sheet, like adding, updating, or deleting rows or columns, okay? So it covers all types of events, and this is the setup we have here, okay? For parameters, we have a mode to add poll time, which checks every minute or custom interval, okay? That is a specific timer, okay? Then we can select, like in all Google Sheets triggers and nodes, a document and page, and the trigger is when a row is added or updated, right? In the output, we can choose if we want to extract variables from the new version or the old one. When updating or getting new info, it's normal to use the new version or both, okay? Then we have options to configure which columns we want to view. Maybe we only want to see columns A, B, and C, email, link, and subject, right? For example, lastly, we have data location on sheet to limit where we check for new Google Sheets data. So that covers all the triggers we needed to explain.